Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Hartford Insurance app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Hartford Insurance app, start by locating the app icon on your device. On most Android devices, tap and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select the uninstall option from the menu. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you want to uninstall the app. Tap OK to confirm the uninstallation. For iPhone users, locate the app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until it starts to jiggle. Tap the small X that appears in the corner of the app icon. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm the deletion. Select Delete to remove the app from your device. If you are using a tablet, the process is similar to that of a smartphone. Check your device settings if the app is not appearing on your home screen. Go to Settings and find Apps or Application Manager. Scroll through the list to locate the Hartford Insurance app. Tap on the app name to open its settings. Here, you will find an uninstall option. Tap on it. Confirm the action by selecting OK when prompted. After uninstalling, you may want to restart your device for good measure. If you plan to reinstall later, visit the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for the Hartford Insurance app and follow the installation instructions when you're ready. This completes the uninstallation process for the Hartford Insurance app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.